Okay, before we start our class today, let's pray together first. Zain, please lead your friends.
Alright. Attention please. Pray begin. Pray finish. Greetings.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon.
How are you today? I'm good. Thank you for asking. Okay. Before we start our main material, I will check your understanding first about adjective or degrees of comparison. I will send it into our WhatsApp group. Yeah. Okay, I have sent it into WhatsApp group. Please do the assignment first. I will give you 3 minutes to do the assignment. Have you done, guys?
No.
Okay. Now look at the picture. Wait. Now look at this picture. What you can see from the picture? Pen. There's a pen. Okay. What adjective can describe the picture?
Blue.
Adjective.
Huh? Yes.
Big pen. Long pen. Short pen. Big pen or what else? Group pen or
Is that brown? Is it brown?
yeah, green.
And green pen.
Okay. Are there any similarities?
Yes. Maybe the function is similar,
Yes.
but the
The
size
color.
is different.
Okay. The function is similar, but the size is different.
Different.
Okay. So there are any differences between the three pens? Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can you say the differences in
Color on color.
Color.
and then
And then
the height? Yeah. Okay. That's good. Okay. Next. Today we will study about degree of comparison. Okay. Please attention, please. Zain.
ya miss.
Attention, please. Okay. What is
Jangan nakal banget, Miss.
Okay, Zain, jangan nakal-nakal ya.
Nanti jadi cepat tua.
Okay. What is degree of comparison? Who wants to read?
Yes.
Okay, Zain.
Afif.
Present, please.
What is degree of comparison? An adjective is a word that qualifies a noun when one thing or person is compared or contrasted with another or others in respect of a certain attribute. We use comparison that can express quality, superiority, or inferiority. It can also express supremacy of one person or thing. There are 3 degrees of comparison, positive, comparative, and superlative.
Okay, thank you Zen. Please
Yes,
give applause to
ma'am.
Zen. Oke, ya. Jadi untuk membandingkan suatu benda atau bisa juga orang, nah itu kita bisa menggunakan degree of comparison, ya. Nah, degree of comparison atau kita menggunakan perbandingan ini, we use comparison that can express equality, superiority or inferiority, ya. Jadi kita bisa menggunakan perbandingan untuk mengungkapkan kesetaraan, kualitas bisa superior atau inferiority, ya. Jadi di degree of comparison ini dibagi menjadi 3, yaitu positive, comparative, and superlative degree.
Bedanya apa?
Nah, kalau positive degree yaitu mengungkapkan kesetaraan. Jadi pada tingkatan degree yang positif ini yaitu tidak memiliki perbandingan. Contohnya, for example, Aldi is as smart as Mayu. Ya. Jadi Aldi itu sama-sama pintarnya kayak Mayu. Nah, itu di perbandingan positif. Beda lagi dengan perbandingan komparatif. Ya. Kalau perbandingan komparatif itu dia membandingkan 2 hal atau 2 benda. Ya. Jadi yang dibandingkan itu cuma 2, si A dan B. Contohnya, iPhone is more expensive than
Android.
Nokia, for example. Ya, jadi yang dibandingkan itu hanya iPhone dan Nokia. Itu komparatif, hanya membandingkan 2 hal atau 2 benda. Kalau superlatif, dia itu lebih unggul daripada yang lainnya. Contohnya, Aldi is the smartest boy in his class. Ya, jadi Aldi itu anak yang paling pintar di kelasnya. Berarti kan perbandingannya semua anak-anak yang ada di kelas. Jadi Aldi itu paling pintar. Oke. Nah, there are 2 ways of doing comparison, ya. Ada 2 cara, ya, untuk melakukan perbandingan. Yang pertama ada synthetic comparison. Synthetic way of forming degrees of comparison is by inversion ER and EST. Ya, biasanya di perbandingan sintesis ini dia itu menambahkan ER atau EST. Nah, biasanya untuk perbandingan sintesis ini itu dipakai untuk monosyllable and disyllable, ya. Jadi yang hanya 1 suku kata dan 2 suku kata. Contohnya yang 1 suku kata ada hot, ada big, ada large. Terus yang 2 suku kata ada heavy, happy, and funny. Nah, ini kalau positive degree di synthetic comparison itu dia pakainya as. Jadi as hot as big as, ya. Itu yang positive degree, kesetaraan, ya, sama. Komparatif yang membandingkan 2 hal pakainya ER. Contohnya hotter than atau bigger than, larger than. For superlatif, ya, yang paling unggul pakainya belakangnya ada EST. Contohnya the hottest, the biggest, atau the largest. Okay. This is The example, ya. iPhone 13 is as big as Oppo Reno 7. Ya, itu positifnya. Besarnya sama, mungkin besar HP-nya itu sama antara iPhone 13 dengan Oppo Reno 7. Ya. Nah, that classroom is larger than this classroom. Ya, ruangan itu lebih besar daripada ruangan ini. Nah, karena ini membandingkan antara ruangan ini dan ruangan itu, berarti dia masuknya ke komparatif. Di sini ada kata larger, ya, larger than. Ditambahin er karena dia hanya satu suku kata, large. Ya. Yang ketiga, my little sister is the funniest person in my family. Ya. Dia ikutnya superlatif karena dia paling lucu di antara anggota keluarga yang lainnya.
Suman.
Gitu ya. Next. Nah, yang kedua ada analytical comparison. Ya. Nah, kalau perbandingan analitik ini biasanya dipakai untuk polysyllable. Polysyllable itu yang lebih dari 2. Yang suku katanya lebih dari 2. Contohnya, listen, delicious, interesting, beautiful, expensive, dan lain-lain. Ya, kalau di polysyllable ini, dia kalau komparatif pakainya more, terus adjective ditambahin dengan than. Berarti contohnya, more pleasant than atau more delicious than. Kalau superlatif dia pakainya the most pleasant, the most delicious, the most interesting. Yeah. This is the example. Meatball is as delicious as chicken noodles. Ya, kalau misalkan perbandingannya setara, positive degrees itu hanya ditambahin s, depannya ditambahin s, belakangnya ditambahin s. Untuk adjektifnya itu dia tidak berubah, tidak ada tambahan apapun, tidak ada tambahan er atau tidak ada tambahan esti. Jadi contohnya seperti itu. Meatball is as delicious as chicken noodles. Itu yang positif. And for second example, making content is more interesting than watching TV. Itu komparatif. Ini karena membandingkan dua hal. Terus akhirnya more interesting than. The third example, my mother is the most beautiful woman in my family. Kayak tadi contohnya yang sebelumnya. Karena ini kan yang paling cantik di antara semua anggota keluarganya, mungkin satu-satunya wanita gitu. Jadi makanya superlatif. Okay, note. As we can see, the way in forming the comparative and superlative depends on the syllable of the adjective. However, the adjective like angry, clever, common, friendly, gentle, handsome, narrow, pleasant, polite, quiet belong to political comparison. Ya, jadi untuk kata-kata tersebut, ya, berarti ini comparative and superlative, yaitu cara menentukan yang mana comparative atau yang mana superlative itu depends on the syllable. Ya, bergantung dengan suku katanya. Yang mau ditambahin er atau yang pakai more, nah itu bergantung dengan suku katanya ada berapa. Tapi seperti kata-kata seperti angry, clever, common, friendly, handsome, ya itu masuknya ke analytical comparison. Jadi yang analytical comparison berarti yang masuknya yang lebih dari 2 suku kata, yang pakainya more, most, begitu. Nah, further, there are exceptions for the following adjective, ya. Ini kata sifat yang tidak beraturan. Berarti dia itu berubah katanya. Contohnya, good. Good itu tidak menjadi gooder, ya. Di komparatif kan bisa ditambahin er atau the more, ya. Tapi untuk kata good, bad, little, much, many, far, late, old itu tidak jadi kuder ya. Good tidak jadi kuder, tapi better. Bukan kudes, tapi the best. Terus bad jadi worse dan the worst. Bukan better atau bedes ya.
Oh, bagus.
Ya, tidak bisa menggunakan we cannot use that sentence. Sorry. Ya. Ya. Oke.
Irasis.
Wants to read the sea lions. Okay, Manu, please.
Sea lions. Sea lions and seals are small mammals. Their bodies are shaped like pearls with four flippers. Also, a sea lion has a much larger front flippers than a seal. Both are great swimmers. They move swiftly and freely through the ocean. Their thick skin and extra layer of fat insulate them against the cold. They can see and hear very well, whether above or below the water. Seals rarely come ashore. If they do, they move by wriggling around on their bellies. They sometimes travel long distance searching for food. Their handy flippers are used to propel them through the water. Although they are more flexible than sea lions, they are not fast. By rotating their hind flippers forward, they can walk on land.
Okay, thank you, Mayu.
Welcome.
Now, please find the adjective using degrees of comparison in that text.
In like larger.
Larger, okay, and then or just adjective is not problem.
Not flexible.
Yeah. Then yeah. Okay. Thick. Yeah.
Extra layer.
Yeah. Iya, Miss. Apa?
Ekstra itu adjektif apa nggak, Bis?
Bukan.
Bukan. Mana di?
More flexible. More flexible, ya.
Not
As fast. Ya.
Udah.
That's all?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good. Now, please pay attention for this video.
Yeah.
Hi Zach, what is your favorite football club? My favorite football club? Favorite club is Cruzeiro Jakarta. Great. Why do you like it? I think the team has many good players. One of the best players is Mark Clark. Yes, I am on your side. I think Persija Jakarta is also one of the biggest clubs in Indonesia. Sure. They are also one of the oldest clubs in Indonesia, I think. Yes, you are right. It is older than many clubs that compete together in the Indonesian Premier League. Persija Jakarta has a great history. They have the Indonesian Premier League for 11 times, haven't they? Yes, they have won the Indonesian Premier League for 11 times. Persija Jakarta is the most successful club in Indonesia. Wow, that's great. And how about you, Ronnie? What is your favorite football club? My name is Persib Bandung. That's nice. But the richest club in Indonesia, isn't it? You are right. In my opinion, Persib Bandung is richer than your favorite club. They acquire many top players from around Asia. They also have the most expensive player in Indonesia, the Green Haryati known as Bao. Absolutely. He is one of the greatest footballers in Indonesia. Yes, he is. He is very skillful and so many girls are attracted to him. By the way, this Sunday, let's watch football together. I think there's a match between Persija Jakarta and Persib Bandung in final Piala Inter 2021. Good idea. I will come to your house then. All right. See you on weekend. See you. Thanks for your attention. Don't forget to like.
Okay. What is the two main talk about?
Football.
comparison with your partner in field, at least 2 sentences, okay? Yeah. I mean, one student speak 2 sentences. Yeah. I will give you 5 minutes to make the dialogue. You may start now. Zain, have you done?
Not yet.
Not yet.
There's not true di sini.
Iya, betul.
Sekarang ayo. Mancing. Ayo dekat.
Have you done, guys?
Yes.
Okay, please, Mala and Latanya, come forward, show your dialogue. Okay, please. Okay. Yeah. Time is yours.
Hey, look this dress. How cute it is.
You're right.
But I think this one. But I think this one is better than that one. How about the price? It's the most expensive dress here. I think so. Let's buy the cheaper one. Will you buy the cheapest one? No, I won't. I just want to buy the cute dress, but the price is cheaper than the most expensive one. Okay, let's ask this seller. In a minute.
Yay!
Latanya.
Terima kasih.
Alvin,
On to the next.
Alvin,
Ali.
sama Zen.
Ali. Okay.
Yay! Maju.
Please.
Saya sudah dekati.
Zain.
Eric. Please come forward, Eric.
Not yet.
Ali and Zain, please. The floor is yours. Come on.
Hi Zen. Hi. What do you think about my watch?
Is it cheaper?
Oh, cheaper? No. This is more expensive than yours, I think.
Yes.
Surprisingly good.
Yes, I know that. I don't like it.
I guess your shirt is cheaper than mine.
So what? What's the problem?
Yeah, I don't wanna take it as a serious problem. Just, I just ask you to compare about what yours and what mine. Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, Ali and Zain. Okay. That's a good dialogue. Yeah. will give you homework. Please do
Oh.
the homework
Yes, yes.
in your what is it?
Your-
LS page 40. Yeah. From chapter 1 until chapter 4.
Wow.
Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank
Yay.
you for your nice attention and your nice participation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye.